All right, pop quiz. What do IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS have in common? They all sound like you're sneezing during an acronym convention. But these three letters define how you actually use the cloud. Let's break down what you're actually renting. Think about making pizza. You've got options. You can make it completely from scratch at home. Grow the wheat, raise the cow for cheese, the whole deal. Or you can buy a frozen pizza and just pop it in your oven. Or you can order delivery and do literally nothing except open the door. Cloud services work the same way. It's all about how much work you want to do versus how much you want Microsoft to handle. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. This is like getting a kitchen and basic ingredients. Microsoft gives you the raw computing power, virtual machines, storage, networks, and you handle everything else. You install the operating system, you manage the apps, you do the updates, you fix the problems. It's the most flexible option because you control everything, but it's also the most work. Think of it like renting a furnished apartment. You get the space and utilities, but you're decorating, cleaning, and handling maintenance. Azure Virtual Machines? That's IaaS. You're getting the computer, but you're running the show. PaaS, Platform as a Service. Now we're cooking. With PaaS, Microsoft handles the infrastructure and the platform, the operating system, the development tools, the database management. You just focus on building and running your app. It's like one of those meal kit services. They give you pre-measured ingredients and a recipe. You just do the actual cooking. You're not worrying about where the flour came from or if your oven works. Azure App Service? That's PaaS. You upload your code, Azure handles everything else. Servers, scaling, updates. You just build. SaaS, Software as a Service. This is full luxury mode. You don't build anything. You don't manage anything. You just use the software. The app is ready, hosted, maintained, and updated by someone else. You just log in and go. This is ordering pizza delivery. You don't see the kitchen. You don't make the pizza. You just eat it and enjoy your life. Microsoft 365? Gmail? Netflix? All SaaS. You're not hosting email servers. You're just checking your email like a normal human being. So remember it like this. IaaS equals you rent the kitchen, you cook everything. PaaS equals you get the kitchen and ingredients, you just combine them. SaaS equals someone delivers finished food to your door. The AZ900 exam loves asking which service type fits different scenarios, so nail this concept down. Next episode, we're talking about the different cloud deployment models, public, private, and hybrid clouds. Subscribe and see you in 3.